Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and gaming. Today, we've got something special for all you Nintendo Switch enthusiasts out there. Introducing the Ultimate Nintendo Switch Tool Repair Kit, a must-have for every gamer's arsenal. Whether you're a DIY expert or just starting out, this kit is your ticket to hassle-free repairs and upgrades. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and tech tips. Alright, let's get into it. First up, let's talk quality. This kit features industrial-grade steel screwdrivers designed to tackle even the toughest screws with ease. Say goodbye to stripped screws and hello to smooth, precise repairs. But it's not just about the screwdrivers. This kit comes fully equipped with everything you need for a seamless repair experience. From tweezers to pry bars, suction cups to brushes, it's all here. And the best part? This kit isn't just for repairing Joy-Con controllers. With its versatile design, you can tackle a wide range of electronics projects with confidence. From battery changes to screen replacements, the possibilities are endless. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this kit really worth it? Well, let me put your mind at ease. Not only does it come with a 30-day free return and replacement policy, but our lifetime customer service guarantee ensures you'll always have the support you need. So there you have it, folks. The Ultimate Nintendo Switch Tool Repair Kit, available now on Amazon. Don't let those pesky repairs hold you back any longer. Grab your kit today and level up your gaming experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming!